In the continuation of studying the Insert tab, we come to icons. Icons were added to the PowerPoint from 2019 version. By the help of the icons, you can have a creative design. Actually, I have introduced you a good site called Flat Icon, and I have explained how you can use this site to find the icons with different topics. In the PowerPoint, there are also some icons in different category that you can use them. Also, you can select your category and see the icons of it, and also you can use the search icon here. Select the keyword that you are looking for, then you will have access to the icons of that section. When the results of icons are shown for you, you can click on the icon in order to activate it, and also you can select some icons simultaneously and insert them in the slides of your PowerPoint. When you click on insert, these icons will be added into your slide, and you can use them in your design. When we select the icon and the format tab opens for it, there are no new option for that I have explained all of these options for several times. We won't waste our time on it. In the change section, you can see an option that maybe it is new for you, and it is a convert to shape option, that if you click on this option, this icon will change into a shape. Even the merge shape menu is shown here, that you can change the fill and outline options of it. For example, I select the two parts of this icon, and as you see, the merge shape option is activated for it, and you can use these options too. Or in the format section, there is the other option that is change graphic. Actually, I have talked about change before, that when you add a shape, picture, icon into the slides of the PowerPoint, you give some styles and animations to it. If you don't want to remove them and you just change your shape, you can use the options that are in the change section, like change picture, change shape, or change icon or graphic. Also, I have prepared different icons with different topics for you, that their designs are easily opened in the PowerPoint, and you can use these icons in your design. And if you want to change the color of one part, you can select that part, and from shape format you can give your favorite color for it, and then use that icon in your design. I hope you design better, easier, and faster with these icons and enjoy your design. These were the tips that I wanted to mention in the icon section. Also, if you want the ready-made file that I have provided in this tutorial, you can send a message to the email or WhatsApp or Telegram number that I have provided in the video description. Thanks a lot.